In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of Claude and its new Figma integration to transform the way you approach design critiques. If you have ever felt stuck during the design process or simply need a fresh pair of professional eyes to look over your work, this workflow is going to be a game changer for your productivity. To get started, you will need to open up a new chat in Claude and look for the plus icon located in the chat bar. Once you click that, you will see an option to turn on the Figma integration, which allows Claude to actually see and interpret your design files directly within the interface. After you have authorized the connection, you need to head over to your Figma file and copy the link for the specific frame you want analyzed. This is a crucial step because it directs the artificial intelligence exactly where to look amidst all your different artboards. Now comes the most important part, which is crafting the perfect prompt to get actionable feedback. You should paste your Figma frame link into the chat bar and then type a very specific command. Tell the model to act as a senior user experience researcher and ask it to identify the absolute weakest visual element on the page. You should also ask it to pinpoint exactly where the current layout might be distracting the user from the primary call to action. By giving Claude this specific persona and these clear objectives, you move beyond generic praise and get straight to the critical issues that could be hurting your conversion rates or user engagement. Once you hit enter, the tool will analyze the layout, spacing, and hierarchy of your design to provide an objective review that you can use to iterate immediately. This process replaces hours of waiting for manual feedback with instant, data-driven insights. Thank you so much for watching as we explore the future of design.